Hello, this is Toyota Steve of Salt Lake City.
Yeah, this is the early 2000s, actually early 2000 to 2010. Just giving you a call because we really want our technology back.
Oh, excuse me? Yeah, you've had the same technology inside your 4Runner for many years now, and we were hoping to get it back. Yeah, not quite sure how to help you guys there on that.
Yeah, seriously, we need it back now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Toyota Steve of Salt Lake City, and right now we are going to take a look at the all-new 2020 Toyota 4Runner. That's right, a little bit of a refresh here. I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip because we're going to take a look at some new additions made to the car, and quite honestly, there were only a few. There's not much. They pretty much updated the infotainment system on the inside. This one behind me right here is actually the SR5. Let's go ahead and take a look at the all-new 2020 SR5 Toyota 4Runner. So, like its predecessor before it, this features the same 4-liter dual overhead 24-valve V6 with dual independent variable valve timing with intelligence. The horsepower is 270 at 5,600 RPM with 278 pound-feet of torque at 44 RPMs. The Toyota 4Runner is the last vehicle in the Toyota lineup to get the Toyota Safety Sense. That includes the front-end collision prevention with the radar cruise control. Millimeter radar was right there. You also have inside the car the buttons for the radar cruise control and the lane departure warning system. Pretty awesome features. The same signature look on the SR5. You have your 17-inch alloy rims. The window back here still folds down completely. A tow hitch is included standard. Alright, new for the 2019 model year is going to be your new infotainment system here. It's the Entune 3.0 that features audio, including Sirius XM satellite radio and Bluetooth, as seen here. If we head back, your phone can be connected via Bluetooth, but more importantly, it does feature Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dynamic navigation is also a part of this vehicle with an upgraded package. That also features Destination Assist, as seen here. If we go to our menu, these are our apps, and the dash of the vehicle around the infotainment system looks very familiar from previous years. Not much has changed. In fact, nothing really changed. You saw your air conditioner and heat there, plus the traditional basically transmission, and then the window right down there was a window button. On here you have your mid information display. A lot of this is going to be really different. They upgraded that archaic display that they had in the previous generations. Now they have a new one where you can toggle between different pieces of information going up, down, left to right. It's pretty easy to use. Now on the steering wheel, it's pretty much the same. There's the arrows and the familiar place for the cruise control to operate your mid-information display in cruise. Over here on this side, we have your volume controls and Bluetooth connection controls. This vehicle still features all 4 windows rolling down automatically, and if you take a look at the side right here, carrying on from previous model years, you also have the windshield wiper de-icer function and the 400-watt power adapter. Power seat on the driver's side is still included. As you can see demonstrated here, you still have the functionality of folding down the second row in a 40-20-40 split, meaning you can fold down each of the seats independently. Alright guys, that is it. This is the new 4Runner for the 2020 model year. And as you can see, really not much has changed. A little bit on the disappointing side in my opinion. However, that infotainment system upgrade was huge for this car. Not to mention the addition of the Toyota Safety Sense. That is also new for this year and also big, as this was the last remaining car in Toyota's lineup to get that. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Please comment down below. Let me get your thoughts, your opinions. Hopefully it's good. But at the same time, I expect some negative as well. That's totally fine. Keep it civil, keep it respectful. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Also like, share this video, tell your friends. Toyota Steve of Salt Lake City, signing off. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.